Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable age restrictions for 18 and over on the Facebook app when using your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier to control who can view your content, and this setting is especially useful if you want your post to be seen only by an adult audience. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook in your web browser on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Now click on Settings to enter the main settings page. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the section called Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open more options related to who can follow you and how your public posts are managed. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Age Restrictions. This is where you control who can view your content based on age. Click on it, and you'll see different choices. Select people 18 and over to make sure only users who meet that age requirement can access your content. After selecting the option, don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes. This step is important, otherwise your settings won't be updated. And that's it. Your Facebook content is now restricted to users who are 18 and older. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more guides like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features.